Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let m denotes the median. So, in this question, we have to find out the median of the following frequency distribution. So, we have frequency distribution to which we have to find out the median. Then the value of 20m is. Okay. Now be super slow. Look at this. First, we will try to draw this frequency distribution table. So this class can be written as class mark. Okay. So it is 0 to 4. Then 4 to 8. 8 to 12. 12 to 16. 16 to 20. Okay. This is organized data means the marks from 0 to 4 got by 3 students, 4 to 8 got by 9 students, and so on. This is your frequency. First I will go with xi. Okay, so how will you find out the xi? You have to add upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. So 4 plus 0, 4 by 2 is 2. So xi becomes 2. Then 6, 10. Okay, then we have 14, then we have 18. So this is your xi. Now we have fi, frequency, means we have assumed that the average mark is 4 and 2, and 2 marks got by 3 students, 9 students, 10 students, 8 students, 6 students. This is the frequency. Now as we have to find out the median, in median you know that we have to find out the median class. Okay, we will do that. Look at this. First we will write down the formula for median. So how does median formula look like? I will change the color because this much you have to do it, and from here onwards let's change the color. So median equals L plus n by 2, number of students by 2, minus cumulative frequency by f times h, height of the class. Now you know that we have to find out median class. So how we will get median class? So you have to divide the number of students by 2, n by 2. So it is 6 and 3 is 9, 9 and 9 is 18, this is 28, and 28 plus 8, 36. So there are 36 students. So n is 36, so n by 2 will become 18. Okay, so n by 2, 18. Now we will write down the cumulative frequency. How you will write cumulative frequency? Suppose that you want to write this. So above this line, add all the frequencies and write. So it is 3. Now above this line, add all the frequencies. Okay. Above this line, add all the frequencies. Above this line, add all the frequencies. Above this line, add all the frequencies. Okay, so this is your cumulative frequency. Now you know that your n by 2 is 18. So in which classroom 18 will come? In this one. So this is your median class. Okay, here till roll number 12. In this room roll number 22 till roll number 22, and you need roll number 18, so that one will come under this room. So this is your median class. Correct? Now let's solve this question. Substitute the value L. L means lower limit of the median class. So what is the lower limit? So 8 or 12? 8 is lower limit, 12 is upper limit. So 8 plus n by 2 is 18 minus cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency you have to consider as the upper cumulative frequency of the median class, that is 12 upon frequency. So frequency is 10, and then height of the class. So height means gap. So 8 to 12 is 4. So this is done. Okay, so now you can simplify things. So it is 8 plus, this is 6 है ना, 6 into 4 24, 24 by 10 2.4, then we have 10.4. So this is your m. Okay, we have to find out the value of 20m. I will change the color again. So we will multiply both side by 20. So it is by 20, this thing gone. So it is 208. So the required value is 208. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.